So the idea, right, is I've got this kind of animated SVG thing I'm working on. I have another video about it if you're curious. And what I'm doing currently is I have all the, let me pull it up. I have these image tags and I'm importing the name dynamically, which is just not the way to do it. What I want is, I want them hard-coded as strings in this TypeScript array. So that's gonna involve getting the name and getting the file contents. You could probably do this with a bash script. Actually, I know you could. And someone will show you. This is a loud country. Someone could show you like in the comments how to do that, but I'm gonna do it with a Vim macro. So first of all, yank inside that. Paste it right there. Oh, I should have yanked around. I don't know what I'm doing. So we've got that as kind of a jumping off point. I'm gonna paste it 9 times. The reason for that is I know that there are 10 blocks because I exported them myself. Now I'll select to the bottom, G, Control A. That'll increment the numbers. You can see it'll go up to 10 now. And let me go 0 to 0 out. And now let's start the macro. UW, always 0 inside the macro. Little pro tip for you. Now I'm gonna go into insert mode and then open up one of these objects, name, and now let's do something kind of weird. I'm actually gonna visual split, and now I'm going to use GF to open this file, and now we've got the contents of this file. And I want to copy it, but I don't want like this hideous multi-line thing. I want this all in one line. So what I can do is capital J, that won't do it. I need to select the whole thing, so I'll undo that. I'll just veer on paragraph, capital J. And there we go. I think I could do like J in a motion, but I guess not. And then 0, and then let's yank that. Okay, and then we've got that on one line, copied, and now to close this, we can do buffer delete. Can't use Q because that'll stop recording the macro. And now all we have to do is comma, one of those, paste the contents, close that, close the object, and now let's close that. And you can actually run a macro by selecting and then hitting capital Q. That'll run the last recorded macro on every selected line. Block 2. That's weird, that's another change. But looks like that worked. Now all I have to do is delete, paste those in there, and then just join a couple times to make that match. Equals it out. And there we go. Oh, I forgot real quick to do the SVG part of it, but that's an easy fix. I could do norm, F, that, I, SVG, that's VG, colon space, boom, and we're all good. Yeah, thanks for watching.